Hello everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, and let me welcome you to another video. This is the place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. And in this video, we're going to be covering how to add a payment method to the Lyft app or how to remove one. First off, you do need the Lyft app installed on your phone, and you need to have already signed up with Lyft. Assuming you've done those two things, you want to start off by opening the Lyft app up. And once the app is opened up, click on the bars in the top left-hand corner. From here, click on Payment, then click on Add Payment Method. You have the option to add a bank account, debit or credit card, Venmo, Google Pay, or cash. We're going to add a debit card for this example. From here, you just enter the debit card, then click on Save. And the payment method has been added. If you wish to remove a payment method, just click on the payment method you wish to remove. And if you want, you can add a new card or delete this current one. I'm going to click on Delete Card. This asks me if I'm sure I want to delete it. Let's say yes. And boom, the payment method has been removed. That concludes this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it. This has been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny, and I'll see you in the next video.